Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. Still pretty cold out Kansas City. Ice, snow, wind chills down in the 20s. Today we got an 07 Ford F250 Lariat crew cab short bed, 3/4 ton, 6.0 Powerstroke. This truck is local to Kansas City. It's a one owner truck out of Olathe, Kansas. Bought new and maintained here in the city. Lariat, sunroof, hard loaded truck. Got some goodies going on with her. One of our cooler trucks. We're gonna be cold starting it today. Go ahead and check that out. Cold and cold over there on the gauges. 189,844 on the miles. We're gonna fire her up. She starts perfect. This truck has been serviced head to toe, customized. It has everything done to it. Anything you would want done to it's been done. We'll go over that list here in a minute. Lariat with the factory trailer brakes, digital climate control AC, CD player, 4-wheel drive. You got your cup holders, console style seating for 5, leather, and it is power seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We do got the 08 style and up mirrors that are paint to match. Tinted windows, smoke in the rain guards. Really nice truck, head to toe. But let's see here, 189 on the miles. Like I said, one owner truck out of Olathe, Kansas. Got a clean and clear Kansas title. I don't know a lot about the history. It was bought new and traded in about a month ago. Has ARP Headstuds, MBRP Exhaust, so it's fully studded, deleted, and tuned. It was stock body-wise when we got it. A little bit of rust on the bed. It's not a rust-free truck. It's not terrible, but it's not rust-free. Has a little bit on the bed. We grinded it out, killed it, put fender flares, paint to match on it, and we did the 08 mirrors paint to match. We did a 3-inch lift kit, some 20x12 Cali wheels in chrome, -44 offset with brand new 35-inch amp all-terrains. We got a working sunroof. It's got an aftermarket alarm on it. Everything's in good shape. Has the loaded steering wheel controls too, with all your AC controls and radios. But yeah, let's check under the hood and do the body walk around and kind of go over some things here. Whew, it is chilly out today. You can feel that wind. Leather's in great shape, not ripped or torn or anything. Alright. Has a Sinister coolant filtration system on it as well. No blow-by whatsoever. Like I said, it's got an MBRP aftermarket exhaust, 4-inch. Sounds really good. You can hear it whistling. Harley-Davidson headlights, chrome upgraded grille, chrome upgraded tow hooks, chrome bug reflector. 08 mirrors, paint to match fender flares, Oxford white Z1 done. That chrome trim was on it when we got it. Like I said, brand new Cali wheels, and we're running 35-inch amp mud terrains. We've got MTs on these wheels. Truck's got a 3-inch lift. Does have a little bit of bed liner on the bottom there. Tastefully done. But like I said, it's got a little rust. It ain't perfect. It's got a turnover ball in it. And does have a roll-up leather tonneau cover on it as well. All in all, a clean old truck though. There's not a lot of dings or dents or anything like that. I mean, it's got some normal wear and tear on the leather. It's been used before. But there's no body damage on it. It's not really dinged up or anything. A little bit of bed liner and some rust is about the worst of your problems. You can see some little rust spots here in the bed around the bolt holes. Tailgate's nice and straight. One little tiny dent down there. All in all, it's a good looking truck, guys. And it's a one owner, which is exactly what you want to see. It's got a little rust. We're in the Midwest. It's not terrible. It's not new. It's not a Texas truck, obviously. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm freezing my buns off, so 816diesel.com. We are the ones that are going to have all the information. So head over to our website now, 816diesel.com. You're going to find the VIN number, HD pictures, all the information you're going to want about this truck. It is listed on my website. So go check it out now. And my direct phone number, if you want to get a hold of me, my name's Cameron. Call me or text me anytime, 7 days a week. I do not care. Happy to set up an appointment or get you whatever info you might need for the truck. 816 Diesel 298-7030. That is our shop number. It's a landline. Sometimes we use it, sometimes we don't. But that's it. Thanks for your time today, guys. I'm going to take this truck for a quick spin and do some pictures, and I look forward to hearing from you.